Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're actually on our way to MT Fabrications shop. Fabrications, my bad. They have the 86 right there. They're doing some tiny updates to the car so that we can have it running perfectly fine. Today we are going to MT shop so that we could do the carpet install that I bought a couple months ago that I've been just having on the side, so that we could have at least an interior for clean culture that's happening Saturday, and today is Thursday. So I have my toolbox here, and it's time to get dirty, right? But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and it should take me about, well, today I'm only gonna do an hour, nothing crazy from that, but yeah, stay tuned. All right, I just got to the shop. I'm at MT's right now. I'm gonna start removing the seats, and we should have like a clean plate. We're gonna clean the floor, and it's ready for the carpet. All right, so first step to removing the seat bracket to the chassis, you're gonna need a 17 mil, and yeah. Alrighty, I just finished taking out or removing the driver's seat. Don't worry about this, we're actually gonna get carbon fiber covers for it. Once we get that passenger seat out, we're gonna give it a nice wash and then dry it up really nice so that the car doesn't rust or anything. It does have that paint sealant for it's like anti-rusting, but yeah. All right, it's hot as fuck, but we're getting ready to vacuum the interior, or whatever is left of the interior, and after we vacuum, we're gonna actually just give it a nice wipe down, and then we start the carpet. All right, so I'm ready to install the carpet. It should take about an hour, and everything's nice and clean, and let's get to it. Alright, so I just almost finished it. I'm gonna come back tomorrow to complete it, but so far majority of the trimming has been done. I was gonna make the holes for it, like for the shifter plate and stuff like that, but right now I'm about to mount the Kirky back in so that the car has at least a seat, and then we can begin again tomorrow and show you guys how it's going so far. But so far this is how it's going. As you guys can see here, don't mind the dirtiness, it's just whatever, but so far so good. I'm about to put like a carbon fiber little cover right there so it can cover all like the paint mess up and stuff like that. But yeah, the interior is coming along. All right, so it's the next day. I just finished putting the carpet in, and I ghetto rigged it that I don't care as long as it has some type of carpet. That's the point. So I'm gonna show you guys how it came out to be, and so fuck you, bitch. So my next, I keep saying so, but my next mod, I guess, is to find some way how to cover this up. Most likely the OEM one, but I don't know if that's gonna fit. But yeah, it looks pretty good so far. I don't want to glue it on yet. I just want to finalize the car drivability wise, so that once I put the glue, everything's nice and clean. Little by little the interior is coming along. My next stuff or add-on is going to be the OEM center console, so that I can make this car again look OEM plus. That's it for today's video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Tune in for the next video, and who knows what the next mod on which car be. Peace.